are the devastating visuals of villages submerged in water due to flash floods, as the current spell of heavy to heavy rainfall continues to wreak havoc in several parts of North India. And India Meteorological Department has issued a red alert warning of more rains in parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has witnessed severe floods affecting over 1,250 villages due to unprecedented rains in the past few days. The Indian Army personnel along with SDRF and NDRF teams have been sent to the region for rescue operations. Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra was among those airlifted by the Indian Air Force helicopters in flood-affected Datia region. His boat developed a glitch after a tree suddenly fell on it during his visit to Kotra village. Meanwhile, IMD has sounded an orange alert for 16 districts in Madhya Pradesh, including Bhopal, Rewa, Siddhi, Satna, Singrauli, Sagar, Chhatarpur, Damoh and Panna. At the same time, close to 15 people died and lakhs of people were rendered homeless due to floods in West Bengal. Several areas including Hooghly, Howrah and West Midnapore are reeling under floods in West Bengal, where people are struggling to wade through waist-deep water. More than 34,000 hectares of crop area and around 1,159 houses have been damaged due to floods in the Hooghly district. Meanwhile, over 1 lakh tarpaulin, 100 mt of rice and clean clothes have been sent to shelter homes. Meanwhile, the Indian Army and Air Force have undertaken rescue operations in the Hooghly district, where rivers have flooded villages in West Bengal. On the other hand, a flood alert has been issued in Andhra Pradesh's Krishan district after the gate of the Pulanchantala Dam was washed away due to excess water. Meanwhile, Krishna district authorities have asked people in areas adjoining the dam to move to safer places.